Hi friends, this is Shripad here from Investshri. Today I would like to share my profit loss statement for the month of July. So I am going into the Angel1 account that I have, and I will go to the custom in the financial year, specifically the July month. Now specifically in that I will go to the intraday. Now as you can see, the net realized profit is 5,187. Realized was 12,000 something, and then charges, which is quite high. In the month of July, so basically I had kind of a mixed trades. So totally there were about 22 sessions, trading sessions. I took totally 34 intraday trades. Okay, so as you can see here, 34 trades in total. So that is about an average of less than 2 trades per day. So there were days wherein I took only one trade. There were days wherein I took as high as 7 trades. So starting with the first one, the biggest losses, some of the biggest losses were one on the 30th, which is 8624, and next was 7100 on the 19th. And overall, I would say now I deployed a capital of 2 lakh, and there were mostly some of the futures trades, some of the equity intraday buying and selling, but the higher profits or the losses were from the future trades. Okay, so if I go into the specific mistakes I did, so on the 30th I took this Sun TV trade. So normally on the futures trades I don't buy the stock, rather I prefer to short them. But this was one trade which I took, Sun TV. I went long, but then it was at its peak and reversed, so it gave me a kind of a big loss there. Other than that, that day I had a profit of, Polycab was positive, rest other trades were negative. On the days which you can see, this is another day. Okay, this is another day. Okay, so generally the days where I took more trades gave me more losses. So you have to be very selective, and very qualitative trades is what you need to take. Otherwise you end up losing a lot of money. Over trading sometimes will happen, but we have to control that. That is the main thing. So all in all, this is not a cash that 2 lakh I am deploying. So rather I would have my swing trading or positional stock position, which I basically pledge and use that for the intraday. So in a way, this is over and above the swing trading or positional profit I get. So as you can see here, the delivery has given me about 31,000, while the of course a couple of the trades here were kind of carry forwarded from the previous month, that is from June. So I wouldn't say all the 31,000 is the profit of the July month, but I would say about 20,000. Now 20,000 added to 5,000, which is from the intraday, so 25,000 over 2 lakhs, so which is about 10% or slightly more than 10%. Now the short-term capital gain is increased to 20%, so you have to account for that also. So all in all, I would say in a month 10% is possible if you go both swing trading and intraday, but selective intraday, not going into the over trading mode at all. And if you are not into the market for at least 2 years, don't do futures trading. It can be extremely dangerous. I prefer futures trading only for shorting, but sometime when I was highly convinced, I took, but then that even reversed. Okay, thank you. Hope you got some insight into the profit and loss. Thank you.